A new budget smartphone and a pair of fast-charging power banks have made their debut in India, giving buyers another affordable option in the entry-level segment. The latest products come under itel Zeno branding and combine everyday smartphone features with portable charging accessories designed for users who are always on the move. itel has announced the Zeno 100 Pro smartphone alongside new 10,000 mAh and 20,000 mAh Zeno power banks. The smartphone is priced at 8,599 rupees on Amazon, while the 10,000 mAh and 20,000 mAh power banks cost 1,299 rupees and 2,069 rupees, respectively, with an additional 10% launch discount. The company has also confirmed that the recently launched Zeno Lite with 2 GB RAM and 64 GB storage is available for 7,999 rupees. The Zeno 100 Pro features a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a water drop notch. It is equipped with a Unisoc T7100 octa-core processor, 3 GB RAM with support for an additional 5 GB virtual RAM, 64 GB of storage, and Android 15 Go edition. The phone packs a 5,000 mAh battery with 10W charging, an 8-megapixel rear camera, a 5-megapixel front camera, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock support, a DTS speaker, an IR blaster, and UltraLink connectivity. It also carries MIL-STD A10H military-grade durability certification and comes in Comet Orange, Cloud White, and Black shades. Alongside the smartphone, itel has launched 2 Zeno power banks. The 10,000 mAh model supports 22.5W fast charging, features a digital battery display, dual output ports, and includes a 3A USB Type-C to Type-C cable with a lanyard. The 20,000 mAh version offers 45W fast charging, supports laptops, includes a built-in Type-C cable, features a digital battery display, and is compatible with charging standards such as PD 3.0, QC 3.0, and Apple 2.4a. Both models are designed to offer convenient charging while traveling.